You take the yellow thing out and you just whip it in the sink. Oh my god. Hey guys, it's maiphammy here, and today I'm gonna attempt to bake a cake with 1 million sprinkles for 1 million subscribers at 2 a.m. So, if you guys didn't know, we hit 1 million subscribers a couple days ago, and I was asleep while we hit it because I was waiting up all night. It was like 3 a.m. and it was at like such an awkward spot, and so I went to sleep, and then when I woke up at 6 a.m. we were at 1 million, and I was just like, damn, really should have stayed up, but I was like, damn, I was kind of tired. I don't really know how it happened because last I remember I was 7 years old, sitting in my room, turned on a webcam, and started recording me singing Dynamite by Teo Cruz and Hey Soul Sister. We go light it up like it's dynamite. And also being 8 years old and filming Littlest Pet Shop videos and Palmer Clay videos and Minecraft MCSG videos and Easy Bake videos and morning routine videos.
Yeah, just down the hall, right to the... What's up everyone, I'm here back with another MCSG video.
And today I'll be showing you my back to school clothes.
Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be Ultimate Easy Bake Pretzel.
But here we are today. I've been on YouTube for 10 years, guys. 10 years. I've been grinding YouTube since I was 7 years old, and the proof is still on the internet, and I watch it every day just to make myself cringe. But here we are with 1 million people supporting me, so everyone back in my hometown that used to tell me to shut up when I was recording a YouTube video, this one's for you. I'm gonna make this quick because I feel like none of you guys care, but like deep down, I appreciate you guys so much, and I still, to this day, with 1 million subscribers, read and like every single one of my comments. So if you guys want to comment something down below, because I will still read it because I care about you guys, and you guys are like my best. Enough with that. Just want to let you guys know that I appreciate you guys. I'm going to be baking a cake with 1 million sprinkles. This video was kind of inspired by The Odd Ones Out, if you guys have never watched him. Great YouTuber, but I got a bag of sprinkles, 5 pounds, because I didn't want to go to Walmart and buy like the little separate sprinkles because that's not enough. That was for me like a year ago when I had 100,000 subscribers. But now we have 1 million. Well, each one of you guys is in this bag. I hope you guys aren't dying right now. I feel like I'm looking at it and I don't think it's a lot, but like 1 million's... I don't know, but we're gonna sit and count every single one of them, okay? 1, 2, 3.
1 eternity later.
342, 343, 304. I'm kidding. If you guys don't know, I used to do like a cooking, baking at 2 a.m. series, and I kind of gave up on that because I'm such a shitty baker. But we're back at it again. Got my iced coffee so that I don't bore the hell out of you guys. And we got our 1 million cake pans. Whoever the fuck is Amanda, happy 1 million. So I'm just gonna search up a recipe. This is gonna be like more difficult than it already is because I'm gonna do like double decker cake. It's gonna be like layered because we're bougie. Who's gonna be eating this? Just me, because I don't have friends, because social distancing is a thing, but like it doesn't really matter anyways. It would have made no difference because I don't have friends. So if you guys want to come here and celebrate with me, hit me up, address link down. I'm kidding. What the hell's buttermilk? Because I don't have it. I need lemons. Are limes the same thing? Definitely not, but it's like gonna have to work, you know? This isn't gonna be edible as long as it like looks good, I guess. It's like good enough. I don't really have that many mixing bowls, so we're just gonna go with it. Flour, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Flour, I'm already 3 2/3 cup of flour. Now, it says to use cake flour, but I don't have cake flour. I just don't have cake in general. CEO shaped like a door. So it also says to spoon and level it out. That's too much work. We're just gonna eyeball it. I don't know how much I need to make a big cake like that. Like, do I need a lot? I feel like I need a lot. You know what? I feel like I should double this recipe. No, it's not too much. We're gonna double the recipe. 5 cups of flour, 6 cups of flour, 7 cups of flour. Boom! So now I have a big bowl of flour. Oh shit, I'm making a mess already. Ugh. So I'm not gonna add any salt to it because I already have salted butter, and I wasn't supposed to have salted butter, but I do. Now it says to take 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So that means 2. Wow, I can do math. 2. Okay, and then 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. I need a bigger bowl, but I don't know what I'm gonna do. Now it says using a hand-held or stand mixer. Ugh. Ow, fuck. I just hit my head on the cupboard. Ugh. This is a workout. Now we have all of our dry ingredients inside. I bought this thing off of Wayfair, and it's not a real mixer. It's like a bootleg Walmart version. So it says to add the sugar, I'm out of breath, and the butter together. So it says to use 1.5 cups of unsalted butter. Oh my god. This is literally gonna use all the butter I have. All of it. What is this? Why isn't it coming off? Cool. This isn't softened, but I'm about to make it soften. Oh my god, I need to go to the gym. But you put it in a Ziploc bag. Okay, squeeze all the air out. You take a rolling pin. I have like this marble one and you just smash it. It broke open. Cool. Love that for me. I'm gonna put this on a plate and put it in the microwave for like 10 seconds. Okay, I think it's room temperature now. I washed my hands, guys, promise. Did I though? Did I? Good thing no one else is eating this. Fun, right? What am I doing? It's 2 a.m. and I'm scooping butter out of a Ziploc. And now I have to do it with this other one. If you hate someone, just imagine that this is their face and just... I'm kidding. I'm not violent. You don't solve things with... Boom! Shakalaka! If y'all are wondering why I'm sniffing so much, it's not because I'm sick, it's because I had a nose job. There's mucus in my nose. Okay, now we need 4 cups of sugar. I'm just gonna eyeball this. I feel like I should slowly mix it in just to make sure it doesn't explode everywhere. Because knowing me, it will. It's exploding everywhere. That doesn't sound good. Woo! That was a lot of work. This is messy and a lot of work, actually. 1, 2. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys a talent I have. It's like the only talent I have. Wipe me up. 5, 6. Okay, so now we need egg whites. So I'm gonna show you guys this really easy hack. You take the yellow thing out, the yolk, and you just whip it in the sink. Look, it's a little baby. 1, 2. So, this looks nasty, not gonna lie, it really does. It says to mix in the dry ingredients and then add the milk. I don't know if you guys can see, but everything's not gonna fit, so I think I'm gonna have to do 2 separate batches. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this back in here and add like half of the dry ingredient mixture. It says to slowly add it, right? I don't know. Okay, so now that that's done, it says to add the buttermilk, which I don't have buttermilk, so we're just gonna use regular milk. It says to do it at room temperature, which definitely not at room temperature, but like I said, we're just trying to make this look pretty. It doesn't have to be like edible. Where the hell do I put the measuring? What the hell? Oh, this is a mess. Honestly, good enough. Don't even know if that's enough batter to fill this bad boy up. So you're supposed to like butter the pan and everything, but I don't have butter. So we're just gonna spray it with Pham, flour the bottom so that it comes out, I guess. I don't know. I'm making a mess. Are we surprised? No. I feel so gross right now. Like this is so, ow. You know, it's not coming out, so I'm just gonna scoop it all in here. Nice. I don't know about you, but I don't think that this is what cake batter is supposed to look like, but we're just gonna go with it because definitely not gonna redo this. If this doesn't turn out burnt and it like cooks somehow, I will be genuinely very impressed. My hands are so fucking messy right now. Cool. Doesn't sound good. Only one of them is, oh, because this one's not even. Cool, love that for me. Fuck measurements. Okay, so this one's definitely a little more liquidy than the last one, so I'm just gonna add a handful of flour. I feel like I'm in a band. Now I'm just gonna do that to shake all the air bubbles out. Okay, I'm gonna put these in the oven.
3:28 a.m.
Okay, so the cake's almost done. Oh. I need to make the icing. So I was gonna make some buttercream and I realized I don't have any butter. So we're just gonna attempt to make icing sugar and milk. I don't know. Okay, this is what the icing looks like. Definitely needs butter, but I don't have butter. It's gonna have to do. Wish I had butter. Okay, so I took it out of the oven and I know I'm not supposed to put this on like a counter, but I wanna flip it and I don't know how badly this is gonna go. Like I wanna make it cool down faster. Oh, no way. I freaking greased this bitch way too good. That was smooth. This is going a lot better than I thought. Now we gotta do the other one. Wow, it like looks burnt, but whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna let these cool down for a bit and then I'll come back so we can ice them.
The next day.
Hi, okay, so it's the next day, and the reason why it's the next day is because yesterday I was tired as hell, and also these were just hot. Like they weren't cooling down. I waited like a whole ass hour and they weren't cooling down. So I put them in the fridge and now they are rock solid. Nothing I can do about it. So I think what I'm gonna do is make it so that it's flat, I guess. So I'm gonna cut this off. I feel like this is gonna turn out like half decent. I don't think it could be like that bad.
A few moments later.
Oh my god. So we're gonna have to put this together with icing. Cool. This is not a cake. It's like bread. Oh my god, this is like crumbling apart. I don't know what I did differently, but this is not it. Maybe I overcooked it? I don't fucking know. I went grocery shopping today because I needed groceries like eggs and stuff, and I got butter while I was at it. We're gonna add some butter into this so that it's like more creamy, I guess. I just want this to like work. Okay, this is definitely a lot better. So I got this like cake board looking thing. I iced the bottom of it so it stays. I feel like I'm on an episode of Cake Boss. You guys used to watch that as a kid? Because I used to watch that like religiously as a kid. Boom. Stuck that together. I have a bigger spatula. I should probably use that. Honestly, I should just get my own cooking show. I feel like that'd be really fun, you know? Because I'm really bad. I'm a way better cook than I am at baking. I can say that. Oh, this one's breaking. Okay, this isn't like going too bad, guys. Honestly, like it like still stands and I didn't burn it. So I'm pretty proud of myself. There's so many like holes. This is so crumbly. Okay, I think this is like the best it's gonna get for a crumb coat. I'm gonna put this in the fridge for like a while until it sets and then we'll take it out.
Eventually.
Okay, so I'm back. And now we're gonna do the last layer of icing and then I'll do the sprinkles. Oh my god, this is so satisfying. Oh my god, this actually like kind of looks half decent except for like the sides. I don't know how I'm gonna do this without like making a complete mess. I'm gonna like saran wrap my counter. That at least I can try my best to like clean up the sprinkles after. And we got this bag of sprinkles. Now I don't know how many sprinkles there are. See, I'm like, oh, there's not that many, but then I realized that like just in this small bunch, there's like 10. Time to decorate the cake. I think my like technique is just gonna be like slapping it on. You know? Oh, I have a good idea. With the rest of the icing, I'm gonna put it on here so that the sprinkles stick to it. Does that make sense? This is so satisfying for some reason.
1 hour later.
It's an hour later because I had to let my camera charge and now all the icing is like hard. So now I don't think the sprinkles are gonna stick to it. They're not sticking! What do I do? Oh my god, the sprinkles are falling everywhere. Don't know what to do. This is so hard. Like it's harder than like it should be, you know? Like, I'm surprised that this is like kind of working. I thought we were doomed.
2 hours later.
Hi, so it's like 2 hours later. I had to let my camera battery charge. I'm finally finished making this cake. Finally. Took me long enough. Oh my god, this bitch is heavy. You can barely even see what it is. Like, you can't tell that it's a 1. Oh, this cake looks dry as hell. It looks dry and not good. Oh, I don't want to eat this. Like, I feel like it's gonna taste like shit. All I can taste is icing right now. Surprisingly, it's like good. Like, it's not as bad as I thought it'd be. But I don't like it. I don't know what to do with this cake. Like, it's just gonna go in the garbage because I don't have friends. So this took 2 days to make for a mediocre cake. Surprisingly edible. We can have a virtual party in the comments down below, you know? Okay, well, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, you know, subscribe. Comment, oh my god, I can't believe you did that if you stayed this long. If you guys haven't, follow my Instagram and add my Snapchat. And until next time, peace.
East and the west, racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest. All night long, she putting me to the test. Got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the rest. Couldn't know my lines, I'm sending them but the best.